I lost over $3,000 in just under 30 days when I first started trading. And it's crazy because it's not that I was doing something wrong or I was just being unlucky. It's because I was believing everything that I saw online, all these gurus. And if you feel like you're losing, if you feel like nothing's working out in your favor when it comes to your trading, you have to understand that it's not your fault. It's because you're being fed this BS that you see online. When I first started trading, I honestly thought that it would be so simple. I thought, hey, you know what? I follow the strategy that I learned on YouTube and I'll be making thousands of dollars per day, just like you see everywhere online. But it was far from that reality. Honestly, it was literally, I felt like I was getting a little taste of the reality of making these profits, making, $1,200, and then I would, boom, get hit with a big loss right after. So it just felt like something was missing. And so I would overreact and close the trade early or overtrade because I thought this was a good potential setup. And I'm sure many of you guys can relate to that. And that's the thing with trading, that you have to realize that it's this constant cycle that you're trying to get out of. You're going one step forward and then you realize you're getting two steps back. I don't know if you feel that, but let me know in the comments if you've ever felt that way before. Now, here are 3 different lies that will keep you broke with your trading. More trades equals more money. I used to think that myself. I used to think, oh, the more I'm on the screen, the more I'm looking at charts, looking at opportunities, the more I'm going to be profitable. And it's the complete opposite. In fact, the most profitable traders, the most consistently profitable traders are the ones that trade the absolute least. The ones that are far away from their computer. They're not looking at the charts. They're in fact probably taking at most 1 to 2 setups per week because they focus on the quality setups and they focus on not chasing the actual trades. Number 2, copying someone else's strategy. So thinking that just by following these rules that you've learned from a course that you bought and then just entering without knowing why you're entering, where you are in the market, understanding structure, understanding candle behavior, understanding even your psychology, but just following the rules or a strategy that you bought online because of a course, not entering or not knowing why you entered is going to get you profitable. And number 3, trading is about strategy. And that is completely false. Trading is about psychology. You can have the perfect strategy in place, but if you enter it at the wrong time or you enter it too early or too late, it's done, it's over. Or let's say you over leverage and you have a perfect setup that goes in your favor, but you over traded, you've blown your opportunity. All right, so the moment things started to change is when I stopped worrying about trying to win every single trade. I started to take things more serious. I built a mechanical system, a simple strategy that worked, that I just followed those rules. And I stopped looking at trading as just gambling and hopefully I can win this trade. And I started looking at it more like a business. Now, at most, I do 1 to 2 trades max per day. I do a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. I focus on waiting for my setup to form. And if it doesn't form, I don't take the trade. It's that simple. That way, at least if it doesn't form my set of rules, I'm not going to enter, right? Before, I would just enter off of emotion, enter because I don't want to miss this trade opportunity because I'm FOMOing in. What if I can make $1,000? What if I could make $5,000? What if I can, you have to remove the emotion. You have to realize that when you follow a mechanical system with a set of rules and a strategy that has been proven that works, you're going to finally become profitable and you're going to finally start seeing the results that you've been chasing for probably a long time. And trust me, more than anyone, I understand where you're coming from because I've been in this game for now 6 years and it hasn't been the easiest journey. And to be honest, it hasn't been the easiest journey. And to be honest, however, despite it not being the easiest journey, and I'm not where I'd like to be yet, I'm finally consistently profitable. I'm finally starting to see results. I've been able to get multiple payouts through FTMO. I've been able to get multiple withdrawals from my Blueberry and Black Bull markets and actually get a taste of what it's like to become a consistently profitable trader. And once you get that taste, once you realize how real this is, everything, all that pain, everything that you've gone through just finally starts fading away and you realize it was worth everything that you went through. It was worth the pain. It was worth the sacrifices, the waking up early, the staying late, the nights where you just felt like crying and punching a wall. And trust me, it's that's where I'm at right now. I'm just so thankful for that, and I'm just thankful to God because of how far we've come. So if you're losing right now, I don't want you to feel bad over yourself. I don't want you to feel dumb. I want you to know that you've been fed the wrong information. You have been lied to, unfortunately, the same way I did. And it took me 6 years to figure it out on my own. 6 years to finally become profitable. 6 years of pain, sacrifice, trial and error, buying multiple courses, trying to figure things out, trying to understand, how can I get ahead? How can I build a consistently profitable strategy and system that's gonna get me ahead? And if that is you, I want you to know that I have an amazing community that I've built over the last 6 years. So if you're struggling and you want to be able to get, help, the biggest thing that helped me within the last 2 years was actually reaching out and investing into a mentor. And again, that mentor doesn't have to be me. I'm not here to sell you something. But if that is something that interests you, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram or just comment below, and you can join my community. My community is absolutely free to join. But if you want to have mentorship, like one-on-one, I do have a great one-on-one mentorship program. And again, like I said, you don't need to buy my program. All I'm saying is what helped me within the last 2 years accelerate that process was actually getting a mentor. And trust me, it makes a huge difference, because you're not going through the whole trial and error and seeing, does this really work? Or those questions that you may have, or those doubts that you may have, you kind of don't have really anyone that you can reach out to. But when you have a mentor, you could really ask those in-depth questions and say, hey, I don't understand this. Like, I feel lost. And so that is one of the biggest things that helped me change my trading and take my trading to that next level. And that was literally about 2 years ago when I finally invested into a personal mentor after spending thousands of dollars. I'm telling you, probably we got in debt over $25,000 in just our education alone. And when I say our education, it's me and my wife. So, but yeah, it's been quite the journey for sure. Comment below if you've ever blown an account or you're struggling right now and you still feel lost. I want this to be a community of smart traders, not traders that are working hard and struggling. I want to help simplify your trading journey, because it is possible. Trust me, once you taste it, you can't go back. Once you realize how real this industry is and how you can make thousands of dollars, and it is possible with the right strategy and the right mentorship and the right community, you will realize how much trading could completely change your life. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe below, because I did take a 4-month break because we just had our 4-month-old daughter. So just wanted to let you guys know, if you're wondering why I hadn't posted for 4 months, but we are posting. I will be posting 1 to 2 videos per week. So every single week we're going to be posting new videos, no BS. And so if you want a no BS approach to trading, you want to be a part of this amazing community that I've built over the last 6 years, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything I know, my entire journey. And like I said, I'm not where I want to be yet, but the fact that I've been able to build a decent income from trading alone. And there's months that you're going to have losses. There's moments you're going to have losses, but the fact that we're still been able to taste it and realize how real this is, it's crazy. I just want to share this information and help as many people as I can. So make sure you subscribe below, hit that little notification bell so you never miss out on any single piece of video I pull out. And also give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and share this message with someone that needs to hear it. See you next time.